So you're working on a Chevy Cobalt steering wheel, and you're trying to figure. I just did a video on the center cap removal. That was a pain trying to figure that out. You got these little latches here. You got to reach and pull them from the back. It's fun. And now you got the steering wheel still stuck on. How do you get it off? Because there's no bolts to put your puller on. Your puller. This was almost 20 bucks with tax from, where was it? Oh, Oriley's. I got them, but I didn't have the right one. Now stuck on the shaft. Let's see, we get this one already apart. You loosen the nut, even with the edge. This one I peed on trying to get it off. Anyways, this is another story. So, you're going to use these hooks. These are called, what are these called? Let me see here. These are called steering wheel puller leg kit. So you're going to put these in, and they're only going to go in one of four ways, and they're going to hook into this piece. And then they're going to go into the slot. You're going to twist them in. The reason GM doesn't want to use holes anymore. And then you're going to put the second one in. And it's going to go into the slot. Sorry about that. And you're going to twist it until it gets into the slot over there. And get it around. Play with it. Now you need to get it nice and square so it'll fit inside of here. And we're going to open. And then there they are. They're nice in there. They're square down there. And you're going to tighten this and tighten this and tighten this against the bolt over there. And so we already got it loose, so once it gets against that bolt, I would leave the nut on, make it flush with the end of the bolt there. And it'll pop off. It'll pop off pretty good too. So I'm lucky I left the nut on because it popped off with some force. And then you'll be free, because you don't want to beat on this because you're going to ruin this. But luckily I had the nut even with this shaft, but you can definitely do damage to the shaft. I was like giving up. I just wanted it off. I didn't really care about the column too much. And then once that's the steering wheel, and then you just need to get the one wire off. These come off by squeezing them. These were where the airbag are on. To squeeze them, they'll pop off. They're color coded, so it's fine on the airbag. You're not going to forget which one. And then this blue one here is going to come out just pressing the button on the inside. You don't need to go too far. Press it, it'll release out. I don't even know what I did with that wire, but it's here somewhere. So that is what you're going to need to do. This hook thing, I guess, has been around for a while. This is a 2009 model. It came out 2006 model, Chevy Cobalt. So hopefully it gives you a little insight. Forget beating it off. If it's still in the car, you might be able to wiggle it back and forth, but it's probably just going to bend the wheel. And so I beat at it really good with a sledgehammer, and it would not come off. And I was holding the column. Column hasn't been on the car in a while, so did not. So hopefully that helps you, gives you some guidance. How do I get the steering wheel off? There's no bolt holes there. So thank you for watching, and I'll follow you later. And then of course you can got a clock spring, and you can take the turn signals off and without no special tools, and then the headlight switch. Those are called leg kit, steering wheel puller leg kit. They run on the internet for 15 to 20 bucks. I just got the whole cheap ass kit to go with it.